In this video, we are going to share the 5 medical benefits of keto diet and why it is often recommended. 1. Diabetes. It is generally agreed that carbohydrates are the main culprit in diabetes. Therefore, by reducing the amount of ingested carbohydrate by using a ketogenic diet, there are increased chances for improved blood sugar control. Also, combining a keto diet with other diabetes treatment plans can significantly improve their overall effectiveness. 2. Cancer. Research suggests that the therapeutic efficacy of the ketogenic diets against tumor growth can be enhanced when combined with certain drugs and procedures under a press-pulse paradigm. It is also promising to note that ketogenic diets drive the cancer cell into remission. This means that keto diet starves cancer to reduce the symptoms. 3. Epilepsy. This is basically the main reason for the development of the ketogenic diet. For some reason, the rate of epileptic seizures reduces when patients are placed on a keto diet. Pediatric epileptic cases are the most responsive to the keto diet. There are children who have experienced seizure elimination after a few years of using a keto diet. Children with epilepsy are generally expected to fast for a few days before starting the ketogenic diet as part of their treatment. 4. Alzheimer's disease. There are several indications that the memory functions of patients with Alzheimer's disease improve after making use of a ketogenic diet. Ketones are a great source of alternative energy for the brain, especially when it has become resistant to insulin. Ketones also provide substrates, cholesterol, that help to repair damaged neurons and membranes. These all help to improve memory and cognition in Alzheimer's patients. 5. Gluten allergy. Many individuals with gluten allergy are undiagnosed with this condition. However, following a ketogenic diet showed improvement in related symptoms like digestive discomforts and bloating. Most carbohydrate-rich foods are high in gluten. Thus, by using a keto diet, a lot of the gluten consumption is reduced to a minimum due to the elimination of a large variety of carbohydrates. Lastly, click on the link below to take on our 28 Days Keto Challenge. You might just be surprised how well the keto diet works for you.